What's up, trader homies? This stock, ADT Inc., the security company, they sell home security systems, is up huge on the day. They came out with a huge news PR this morning, and it has sent the stock skying higher, up currently 70% on the day. So we're going to be breaking down the chart. We're going to be breaking down the news, and I'm going to see if I can take a trade on it live today in today's Touchdown Trades market analysis. So stay tuned. What's up, trader homies? It's your boy Kevin from Touchdown Trades. If you're new to the channel, Touchdown Trades is a channel where we go over the hottest stocks in the market every single day. We do live day trading videos, day trading tutorials, swing trading videos as well. So if you're into that type of thing, consider subscribing. I would appreciate it a lot. So today we're going to be breaking down this ADT Inc. You guys are familiar with the company. They sell home security systems. So Google came out today and said they're going to invest 450 million big ones into ADT in order to come to market with a smart home security system. They're going 50-50 on the deal. Both companies are going to be investing 150 million into the project. This is huge news for a company like ADT because they've really been struggling over the past several years as competitors have came into this space. So we don't have, if we go back onto a weekly chart, we don't have much to base a trade off of because they were purchased by a private investment company. I think in 2016 it was. So the chart is basically, there's nothing to base a trade off of. We're trading at all-time highs currently. So why has this ADT been getting crushed over the last few years? Well, because like any other technology company, because they are a technology company in some form or fashion, if you don't stay up to date, your products, you just stay with the same business model and don't advance with technology, you will get left in the dust. And we'd have companies like SimplySafe. Let's take a look at SimplySafe. They came into the market and have stole a gigantic market share from ADT. Why? Because it's simple, no pun intended. So you order their whatever package you want from them online, and you install it yourself. You don't have to have some ADT guy come to your house, try to upsell you, charge you a bunch for installation, and then have to pay like $60 a month in monitoring fees. So for example, this package here, you buy the package and then you install it yourself. And I think the monthly monitoring fee is only like $15 a month, which compared to ADT, let's go to ADT, you got to get a quote, and then you probably have to have some guy come to your house, and then he's got to install it. They're going to charge you for installation, and then you're going to be paying $60 a month for monitoring. So ADT has not advanced with technology, and they have got killed for doing so. So companies have came in, stolen market share, but today a falling angel flew right into the lap of ADT in the form of Google. And they came in and said they're going to try to take on Amazon, SimplySafe, and all the other big home security competitors, as Amazon recently purchased Ring, the company with the video doorbells, and they've came out with their own home security package. Well, Google wants to get in the game now, and they're partnering with ADT, which is huge news for a company that's struggling. All right, so let's break down the chart real quick. But before we do so, if you would be so obliged, smash like for me. I would really appreciate it. It really helps the channel out when you do so. So we do got a pivot here at this $13 level off the weekly chart. So that's a valid level right there at 13 bucks. We also have these intraday levels, And that's all we really got to base a trade off of. So I do like this thing for a day trade. If we can crack through this prior low right here at the 1370 level, and I would be risking off this $13 level probably. So we'll be watching that. And for a swing trade, I'm not so sure, because I like to get long into day number 2 or day number 3. The retail traders usually jump in day number 1 and they try to bag hold. But by day number 2, by day number 3, they're getting washed out. There's panic selling, and that's when I like to buy. So if we kind of hold up tomorrow, just chop around a little bit, and then Wednesday we kind of get a sell-off towards $12 or so, I'd be interested in taking like a 1 or 2 week swing trade, because once the retail traders that were too early they panic out, you usually get a pop back up. And I do like that swing trade plan for a pop back up if we get a wash down towards 12 on day number 2 after the move. But I do think we need a few days to kind of digest this huge move. Just to talk a little bit more about the company and the numbers and why this is such a big deal. ADT was bleeding money. We can see they lost almost $700 million last year. It wasn't a good look for the company. They used to be the king of the home security industry. If you would go into a house and it had a home security system, odds were that it was an ADT system. Now people don't want to deal with the hassle of the installation and the monthly service fee, so they're going towards companies such as Vivint and SimplySafe, which are easier to install. The monthly plans are cheaper, and the tech is just as good. Right now we have Wi-Fi. The ADT used to be plugged into the phone lines. A lot of houses don't even have phone lines anymore, home phone lines. Everybody has cell phones. There is shares available to short on Thinkorswim, which is really surprising. But in order for me to be interested in a short, we would have to get way up here towards the $18 or $19 area and start showing some weakness. But I do like it for a long under this prior low, and I would buy into 13. So I really do think this is huge news for ADT. Really big deal. Google, imagine if Google puts ADT and they incorporate security into the HomePods, or the smart, they make a smart home security system. It says Google and ADT on it, and you can order it online and you get it shipped right to your house. You can install it yourself, and the monthly monitoring fee isn't outrageous, maybe $19.99 a month, for example. That is a huge deal for ADT, and that could turn this company around, and this thing could this thing could really take off if Google really does want to put some effort into making this home security venture a real thing. So I do think this is a big deal. That's going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys got something from it. If you did, smash like. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you doing? This is the realest trading channel on YouTube. Not the biggest trading channel, but the realest. No fake marketing tactics here. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I appreciate the view. Peace.
Drop.